Hi guys! First, top ribbing, chain 9, and then work 92 centimeter length rows of single crochet, and then skip the last one. Work on the second single crochet. I'll do all single crochet. At the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Repeat single crochet. Keep working until this long, about 92 centimeters. For first 5 rows, I'll do double crochet. First chain 3, and then I also increase 2 stitches each row. That means next row will have 2 more stitches compared to the previous row. And to increase stitch, we will work 2 double crochet into 1 stitch. I'll do this for about 5 rows. At the end of the row, close it. Then chain 3 to start new row. From now, I'll do single crochet. First chain 1, then do single crochet. At the end of the row, we use slip stitch to close it. Chain 1, and to make this, we have to turn our work like this and go this way, and then when we reach the end of the row again, we slip stitch and also turn our work. Now it's time for a ruffle. I'll start with first row of 2 double crochet into 1. First chain 3 and then do a double crochet in the same stitch. And then next stitch also do 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Keep working all around. For next row, I'll work 2 double crochet into one and chain one in between, like this. One, chain one, and then work one more. For the third row, I'll do 2 double crochet and chain 2 in between, like this. 1, then chain 1, 2, and then do a double crochet. For row 4, I'll do first 2 double crochet, and then chain 2, 1, 2, and then do 2 more double crochet. Like this. So my ruffle have 5 rows, and the last row I do 3 double crochet, chain 1 and 3 double crochet. Now I'll start new layer under this layer, and to do that it will look like this. To do that, I'll start new layer under this area here with few rows of double crochet until that few rows have the length equal to this ruffle. I'll start new ruffle again with the same technique. I'll start new layer here. First chain 3, then do double crochet, I just finished the 5 rows for under layer, and from this moment I'll make the new layers like this.